out a pumpkin.
A giant one. This is the largest one we could get, wasn't it? This was. Oh, it's a monster pumpkin from Aldi.
It says monster pumpkin. Don't know if you can read that. So, we're kind of just going to carve pumpkins. We've never really. I've done it once before. It's relatively simple and disgusting.
Oh, great.
But we're just going to kind of figure it out. So.
Oh my God! You're going to warn me.
Let's go on with it. We've got a pumpkin scoop.
Why are we slapping the pumpkin?
Pumpkin scoop.
£3 from Sainsbury's.
We've got knives. Ew!
Oh, that's disgusting.
Ew! Oh!
Is this a mouldy pumpkin?
It's disgusting.
It smells as well, you know. Go close up to it, you can smell it.
Okay.
Go on. Oh, don't smell that bit. Why did you smell that bit?
Oh, no.
Why did you smell that bit? Anyway, wait, seriously, what are we going to carve? I'm going to carve a pumpkin out of a pumpkin.
Okay.
So what's the first thing you do? Have you researched this? Do you know how to do this?
Yeah.
Okay, what's the first thing you have to do?
Draw on the pumpkin.
Okay.
It's
not working.
It's.
I think it's probably special. Maybe you're supposed to use a Sharpie.
No, it doesn't work.
No.
I tried to use a Sharpie last year. It was horrible because it's so slippery.
What the hell is that?
That's an eye. Your turn.
Apparently. Have I got to do an eye as well?
You'll draw the next eye.
This is hilarious.
Doesn't have to be symmetrical. Draw whatever
Oh my God,
eye
this is so funny.
you would like.
How does it work? You take out the middle part, so it's kind of got to be designed like you can take out the middle, but it's still.
Whatever we're cutting.
Yeah.
It's coming out. Whatever springs to mind. Whatever creativity you would like.
But
splash it onto the pumpkin.
If I want the middle thing to take, if I just want a hole, that's just like a hole.
You are correct.
Okay, I'll do a weird one that's similar, but oh my God. Jim's thinking, what? This is not going to work.
No, it's going to be amazing. Whatever it is, we're going to do it.
Oh, this is awful. The eye's too small. What is that? This is how not to do a pumpkin. I'm not happy with our face.
I'm more than happy with it.
I think we need another pen.
I think.
This pen is not
Okay,
working.
so this isn't. You can't quite see what's happening.
I'm embarrassed.
You can't quite see the scope of what's
it's heavy.
going on, but nonetheless,
That's actually really heavy.
that's what's going on. Okay, so now I'm going to cut out the top.
Okay.
Scoop everything out.
Sounds glorious.
Scooper.
This is a how not to tutorial. Tutorial? Oh, I can't speak. Oh.
Right. Done.
Oh, I can smell it. Oh, that's disgusting.
Yeah, it smells
How come
horrible.
you can smell it? We should have opened the window.
It smells.
I'm scared you're going to cut
horrible.
yourself.
Look, I've done this before.
Okay.
Right. I'm a pumpkin cutting.
Stood up. You said you didn't stood up.
Right, but you know, being ideally, you'd have a better knife because I've just got one of them. There are pumpkin cutting knives you can get.
Why did we get a pumpkin scoop and not a pumpkin knife?
Because the pumpkin set that came with a knife was £3 and it came with a rubbish scoop. And I had trouble with the scoop last time because I had to use potato skinner and it didn't work. So then I had to use a spoon and that was hard.
It smells awful. Using a dull pencil, draw the pumpkin lid or bottom opening with a carving saw.
A pencil would have worked better.
Cut the lid out at an angle. Use a carving saw to cut along pen markings. Oh, carving saw, I don't know.
Let's open that.
Do you want to use this?
Go on, give it a go.
I can't damage it?
No.
What do I need it for?
We need to put it on top.
Oh.
Pop it on top. You just don't have a scalped pumpkin
I thought you did.
just lying about the house. It needs a head. Well, this is not going well.
It is. For some reason. Just wait.
Okay.
Wait for it.
Sorry.
It's gonna happen. It's just like opening a painting.
Or a human skull.
Ew.
What was the noise?
Great. Yeah. It is like a brain.
So we need to get that off.
Oh, we need. Okay.
Sweet.
Yeah, let me do it in the bin. Oh, shit.
See, this is what I mean. We needed to cover this table, but
Yeah, I'm
you were like,
covering it.
it's fine. Look at that. That's fucking disgusting.
The smell. Oh my god, the smell. Oh my god, the smell.
Like a cavernous
Oh my god.
beast.
The smell. Do you want a pumpkin seed?
No. So now we need to scoop. We need to scoop the pumpkin.
This is not a very pleasant video.
It's like. Ugh!
Don't put your hand in
You
it.
have to.
You're joking. I thought this is what this is for.
No, you do that eventually to like smooth it out, but you can't just like. How are you gonna get? How? No, it doesn't work.
Just
Trust
look
me.
it up. You haven't tried a pumpkin seed.
We're gonna be here for hours. Just give it. 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 Just give it.
Seriously? No, just put a glove on. I'm pretty sure there's innocent reason to I don't like it. Literally this
Look,
could have done
sometimes
that.
we do things we don't like.
Let's make that noise. Stop it. I don't like this. Ew. That's horrible. I can't even watch. Go and wash your hand, that's disgusting.
Look, this is fine. Look, just if you just give it a chance.
I'm not giving that hand a chance. Right, I think, Jim, I've got as much as I can out all the seeds well. Protected myself.
Pumpkin bastard. Our pumpkin is nice and empty. I think that's good. I think we just have it like that.
Yeah?
We just do two little eyes there.
That'd be cool.
It'd be like.
That's really cool. Can we not? Can that not be the mouth? Oh no, because it will roll.
Yeah.
Spooky, scary skeletons and shivers down your spine. Shrieking skulls will shock your soul, seal your doom tonight.
Pop the eye out. That is a creepy thing.
In surprise when you hear these zombies shriek.
Woo. Look at that. How the hell? Why have you done a curved mouth?
Because.
That's the most difficult thing ever.
Spooky, scary skeletons are silly all the same.
Wow, that's a mouth. Wow. He's like got this weird like science smile, hasn't he? He's got. He's like,
Mungy the pumpkin!
can I go from here?
Yeah, go for it.
Oh. His ear is coming out in pieces. Whoa! We should name him.
Gaston.
Gaston.
Gaston the pumpkin. He's got an ear. second ear, bit bigger, more of a gape. So there you go, there's Gaston the pumpkin. There you go, pumpkin. Done.
Ta-da!
We did it. So all you need is pumpkin scoop, knives,
Knives.
spoons,
A lot of that. And a strong stomach. I can't believe you just did that.
another knife,
And some art skills that we have many of.
scarf. There you go. So if this was good enough for you, then feel free to copy Gaston. Creation is the mind of the soul. Gandhi said that. Subscribe!
Please. Do our creepiest laugh.